Welcome. Today I am with GIGASET GS190 and I'm going to show you how we can turn off Google Assistant on this smartphone. So you have to go for Google app, go for more, and we have to get the latest update. So let's make it. Okay, and as you can see right now, we can open this application. So next you have to go for more again. Click on the settings, move to the voice. Oh, sorry, it's a mistake. We have to go for the settings and pick instead the voice the Google Assistant. And right now we have to scroll down until we find the general settings that will appear right here. So to turn it off, you have to simply tap on the switcher, then click to confirm, and that's it. Of course, we have to wait a little bit because we get the update, but right now it's turned off. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.